In this video, I'll show you how to use BookBeam to find potentially profitable topics or niches. Now, it is a paid app, so here's a quick look at the pricing. So it's $29 a month if you sign up for the year, $47 if you do a month to month, and the plan I'm currently using, the quarterly, comes out to around $43 a month. Once you're in the BookBeam app, from the left side, go to Niche Finder under Research. For the marketplace, you can select your country, and I'm just going to choose US. You can select a preset like top selling, self-published, or top selling with low star rating. I'm just going to select none. For book type, select books. And for keywords, you could type in a keyword if you have a certain topic in mind. Here I'm going to set the filter to show me only books that are self-published, with a BSR of 100K or less, 100 ratings or less, and 6 months old. Everything else I'll leave default. If you click the arrow on the bottom, you can filter out keywords you want to exclude, if you don't want to see coloring books or cookbooks, for instance. For now, I'll leave it blank, and I'll click Find Books. I like to scroll all the way to the bottom and see how many items total it found. Now you can flip through the pages of results and see if you find potential topics. All of them have a low rating and low BSR, and you can see the monthly royalties. So I hope this video helped you get started with finding a niche topic using BookBeam. Thanks for watching.